Hello everybody, this is Yousef and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to have a very interesting dish, اسفناج نرگسی اسفناج, which is a spinach egg, which it could be part of my breakfast, but this is a food that people using it as a breakfast, lunch, dinner, or something between, even appetizer. And it has a very long history. It's originated from north of Iran, and they have a variety, but it's not too much difference in ingredients. For instance, some people using garlic, which I'm not. Let's go over the ingredients and start making it. All right, what I have here is about 1.2 pounds of spinach, or 500 gram spinach, which is, I got this baby spinach is mostly leaf. You can buy the bunch and use the stem also, but you have to cut it in small pieces. I do have 5 eggs, 2 onions, which I'm gonna slice and saute that, a little bit of oil, cooking oil, about 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1.5 black pepper, 1.5 teaspoon turmeric. So what we are going to do right now is start just putting this in the pan and start putting it on a low heat. Let it cook a little bit. You don't have to add the water because it's just gonna shrink itself. And then I'm gonna cut the onion and start sauteing that. And then we go over the rest of it. Let's do it right now. All right, we'll let it cook away with the low heat, as I said. Let's go and slice the onions. This is fairly a very big, large onion. Okay, so this, I like the onion to be cut this way, but it really doesn't matter. Do it whatever it convenience for you. If you want to dice it, smaller pieces, it's your preference. As I said, you can add a couple of garlic into that, and because some people they do, but it's considered as my breakfast dish. So I rather not to put the garlic into this, and it doesn't make any difference on the taste either. So if you like it, just add the garlic too. When you sauteing halfway the onion, then you can add the slice of the garlic to it too. Okay, I'm gonna use a pot for the onion, because first of all is too much onion, and I rather to have a control on not to spill it out. And also a final thing is gonna be in this pot, so I'd rather to keep it, the onion started from here rather than a skillet. So put the little bit of oil, enough for just sauteing that much of onion. Don't be shy for using the oil, because you're gonna use the egg also, so you know that it needs a little bit more than usual oil to this. All right, this is a cooking oil. I usually use the grape seeds oil, and which I like it. It's very nice. Just bring this pot here and put the onion in this and go back on the stove top. All right. At this time, I like to put a little bit of salt on my onion. It makes it faster to be cooked. and it causes to be softer. Okay, so it might takes about 10-15 minutes. So while this is going to be sautéed, this one is also going to be cooked down till all the waters go away, and we use the spinach itself. All right. Meanwhile, you're going to take the eggs into this little bowl, and so we're not going to mix them completely together. Also, you can use directly to the food when put the spinach with the onion together. You can do that, and also you can make it halfway cooked, because some people they like the runny yolk, and it's all totally up to you. Also, regarding the using a salt and pepper is your taste, so you can add it or less than what you think it's too much for you, so you can adjust that too. Make sure occasionally you just turn this around and don't let it be burn out, so it has to be turned to a golden color. Then we add the turmeric and black pepper. So by the time I hope my spinach is done, and we put that aside till this is completely done. Let's look at it. Yeah, it's cooking away. That's going to be nice. So maybe I turn this also around. Yeah, you are going to be like a Popeye when eat this one. To be honest with you, I wanted to just make a double of this because we love this food, and we can keep it in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 days. And you know, you can, as I said, occasionally you eat it as a you know, between the food. And so but I decided, you know, just make it something standard so everybody else can make. All right, the name of this food, which is Nargesi, spinach, it comes from the daffodil flower because it has a green, white, and a yellow because of the egg yolk. That's what it comes from. And daffodil in Iran, it's flower, Nargesi, it's called Nargesi. So that's the Nargesi comes from. Okay, our spinach seems is done, and I turn this off and put it aside. Wait till our onion is ready. So it's probably another 3 minutes. And then we're gonna start adding our spices, and then the spinach in this, and turn it around for another couple more minutes with the spinach, and we just add the eggs. Our onion is nicely done, and it's time to add the turmeric and black pepper maybe. All right, just put our turmeric in it. Oh, not only color is beautiful, but you should be here. The smell is fantastic. And our black pepper also. Now I'm going to add our spinach to this mixture and just cook it for a couple more minutes. Then we're gonna add the eggs, and then we're all done. All right, I'm gonna add now the rest of the salt, but keep in mind you have to taste it. If it needs more, you can put it later on. So not gonna just make this like a scrambled egg, very lightly. That's it. I'm not gonna, go too much of the scrambling this. And I think it's the time to add this to our spinach. Before I do that, just want to turn around one more time. Okay, here it's you might see it's too much onion for you. Again, you can use less onion if you wish to. But I like onion, especially when caramelized. It's gonna be taste fantastic. So it's the time to add these eggs to it, and you can reduce the heat at this time a little bit, and just let it cook it. When turn the color and you see the hardness of egg, then you can mix them together. So just for little by little you can do this. Again, you reduce the heat at this time, and if you think you like more eggs, you can add couple more to it. We're almost done, so I'm gonna serve this, and we go over that how to eat it. See you then. All right, this is our spinach nargesi, and which you see it looks very nice, and you can eat this, as I said, with the bread, make a sandwich. I have different kind of bread here. I'm going to show you. If you want to make a sandwich with the pita bread, just simply take some of this and add it inside of your pita bread or any kind of bread, and have fun with it. So we usually eat this. When I say we, it's our family. Eat this with a nice, very sweet hot tea. It's a very sweet hot tea. And again, you can make a like sandwich with this bread. Again, simply add this. You don't have to add any other thing, mayo or mustard, nothing. This itself, it has all the taste that you need for having a great sandwich. Okay, as I said, this is a part of my breakfast program, which I'm gonna have more of this kind of breakfast food, and I hope that you enjoy it, and let me know when you make it and how do you think. And I really thank you very much, and I appreciate your watching my videos and support. And till next time with another Persian dish, bye.